Do you like to eat pizza or burger? Believe it or not, junk food addiction is a real thing. As unreal it may sound, studies clearly show that people actually crave for junk food, which is why trying to not eat it with deliberation is complicated. According to findings, these cravings are designed to ensure that people are simply unable to resist the temptation. So, if you are also addicted to junk food, then today's video is for you. Hi, this is Tejas Bhosle and welcome to my English YouTube channel, The Tejas Motivation. Me and my team always help you to enhance your lifestyle and pump up daily motivation in your mind. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please hit that red subscribe button, click on the bell icon and give us a thumbs up. So let's dive in. Today I am going to give you 6 mental tricks which are going to help you to eliminate this addiction for junk food. At the end of this video, I am also going to give you one bonus tip. So please watch this video till the end. So first mental trick is understand your psyche. There is nothing more important than understanding your own thought process and voices. You are the best judge of yourself, which means that nobody other than yourself will know what it is that you crave the most. The very first thing you need to do is stop keeping food in the pantry that you desire. If it is sugary items, then only keep fruits, nuts and whole wheats product that contains no more than 5 ingredients. According to research, you are more likely to end up eating the items that are within easy reach. If your marketplace is near an eating outlet that you frequently visit, then make sure you change the route that you used to take to work. One more thing, no matter what you do not go out to fast food places when you plan a night out or an evening with friends. No matter how hard you try to avoid junk food, it becomes next to impossible when you are under peer pressure or under the influence of alcohol. It is best to try the avoidance policy instead of forcing yourself into the dilemma of choosing to quit or take. So second mental trick is creating a game plan to hate junk food. A game plan always works no matter what kind of action you intend to enforce in your life. The thing is, when you already have an idea in mind, you tend to follow it instead of going about doing anything random. So, what should be your eating scheme that helps you to staying far away from junk and processed food? You need to decide it. Start by shopping the healthy foods from the grocery store with a list. Having a list will help you in keeping away from junk food like biscuits and chips and such. Also, bear in mind that grocery stores are too laid out in manner that will force you into buying more than you intend and need in the first place. Make sure you stay away from center aisles. These are the ones that bear processed and packaged food. Fresh produce is always kept in the first aisles. So this is the place you should stick to. The next step is thinking out a meal in advance. Try not to rely on sandwiches and fried pre-processed food. These two come in the category of junk food. Plan a meal that consists of everything that entries to main to dessert. This will help you in sticking to your healthy diet. Once you are home, cook the food and make the process as interesting as possible. This will reinforce the idea of cooking every day. Third mental trick is actionable intent to stop eating food. The plan is useless until and unless there is some proper action involved.
Don't think that healthy food will arrive at your doorstep and cook itself. You will have to make a move to get the situation going. Get rid of all the items that are either in kitchen or fridge that can be called junk food. Also dispose of your secret stash. Keep reminding yourself again and again that in the end product of your junk food reduction is healthy and happier you. Getting into sports also helps in quitting the intake of junk food. If you are not into sports, then join a health or fitness group that might be at the gym or is involved in yoga. These are going to work wonders for your junk food addiction.
Now let's dive into fourth mental trick. It is chew more and eat less. Do you know that if you take time in eating, you are likely to eat less?
Even if it is junk food that you are holding, it's true according to science. The time you spend chewing the food is going to elongate the total number of minutes you eat. As per the research, 20 minutes from the time you begin eating, your stomach gives a signal of fullness. So try to pass these 20 minutes in chewing. This exercise will take some time to master, but with time you can easily learn the process and it will soon become your habit.
Fifth mental trick is pay attention to colors and environment. You may have noticed that McDonald's uses red and yellow color. Why?
These colors along with orange are the ones that spark up hunger and gives you cues to eat more. Hence, the reason why most of the eateries prefer having these colors in their decor scheme. Make sure that your eating area is deprived of these colors. What's more, the cutlery and utensils you use must not have any of these colors in them. Opt for plates and cutleries that are nondescript and boring. This way you won't particularly enjoy using them and serving meals. Even if it is Chinese takeout, then also you should use boring cutlery. One more thing to do is to use smaller plates so that you can take lesser quantities.
Sixth mental trick is the more you know, the lesser junk you will consume. Gross yourself, it's that simple. Watch videos and read on to find out about how junk food is created, and you will want to stop eating it without any kind of efforts.
Did you know that pink and red dyes that are used as a food color are made from cochineal insects? Many other gross facts that will help you to getting rid of junk food must be in your ready or in collection.
Now, here comes the time for bonus tip. So today's bonus tip is have a cheat days. Yes, you need those. Nobody is suggesting you to quit having fast food altogether, as it is next to impossible. So you can have cheat days. So these are some super simple techniques to get rid of that stubborn craving for fast food. Please share this video with maximum people who do you think are addicted to fast food. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in comments below. Thank you very much.